Most often, those pills have a deadly dose of fentanyl inside them.
A deadly dose in a pill disguised to look like your daily meds. Drug cartels in Mexico are manufacturing counterfeit pills made with illicit fentanyl, the dangerous and deadly synthetic opioid.
They're targeting people that are experimenting for the first time, and most of those people are children.
As we've shown you, cartels are manufacturing these deadly drugs in these labs hidden in the Mexican jungle. It's here where they're scoring and coloring pills made of pure fentanyl, pills that are killing people all across Maine and New England. John Delana is the associate special agent in charge with the DEA.
But they also know that the addiction hasn't gone away. So what they want to do is continue to thrive upon that. So they're manufacturing pills and they're flooding our market with these fake pills.
This photo shows just how deadly ingesting fentanyl is. That's a penny next to the amount of fentanyl that will kill you. Even drug agents are unable to tell the difference between what's real and what's fake.
These pills are here. In fact, more often than not, when we're doing an investigation now, it turns out that the pills are fake pills, but made with fentanyl.
And it's a growing problem. This year, one DEA office in Arizona seized 1.4 million of these pills. 4 years ago, that same office saw none. I'm David Sharns, WMTW News 8.